In this video, we will explore the top 4 best laser cutters and engravers for 2025, highlighting their features, capabilities, and what makes each one stand out for your creative projects or business needs. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 4. Creality Falcon2. The Creality Falcon2 Laser Engraver is a powerful and precise CNC carving machine featuring a total laser power of 22 watts. It achieves this by combining 4 6-watt laser diodes using advanced FAC spot compression technology. This results in an ultra-fine laser focus spot of only 0.1 millimeter, allowing it to cut up to 15 millimeters thick wood, 10 millimeters black acrylic, and even thin stainless steel sheets with a single pass. The engraving speed is impressively fast at 25,000 millimeters per minute, ensuring high efficiency for your projects. One standout feature is its ability to create vibrant, colorful engravings on stainless steel by using the laser's heat reaction on the metal surface. The working area spans 400 by 415 millimeters, giving ample space for various designs. The integrated air assist system can be manually controlled or adjusted automatically via Lightburn software, helping to remove smoke and protect the laser lens for cleaner results. Safety is a priority with the Falcon2. It includes a high-efficiency colored filter glass cover to protect eyes and multiple safety systems such as airflow, lens, and frame monitors, along with emergency stop and security lock features. The machine's full aluminum alloy structure ensures stability during high-speed operations, supported by silicone footpads and a synchronized sliding rail system. Compatibility is broad, supporting Windows and Mac systems and software like Laserable and Lightburn. You can even work offline using a TF card. Assembly is simple, requiring only 3 steps to get started. The Falcon2 is perfect for users seeking precision, speed, and safety in a compact laser engraving solution. Number 3. ATOMSTACK A20 Pro. The ATOMSTACK A20 Pro V2 is a high-precision laser engraving machine designed for wood, metal, acrylic, and more. It features a powerful 20,000 milliwatt laser output with advanced dot compression technology, producing engraving dots as small as 0.8 by 0.1 millimeters. This level of detail ensures sharp and precise engraving results. With an engraving speed of up to 400 millimeters per second, the A20 Pro V2 offers fast and efficient cutting and engraving. Its aluminum alloy frame and integrated linear guide motion system provide excellent durability and smooth movement, improving the overall precision and lifespan of the machine. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to its modular design. Safety features include a removable magnetic protective cover, safety glasses, and a tilt angle safety beep that activates if the machine tilts more than 15 degrees. Built-in limit switches and a crossline laser ensure accuracy down to 0.1 millimeter. The machine supports various control methods such as USB stick and Type-C connection, and it is compatible with software like Lightburn, Laserable, and the ATOMSTACK app. The A20 Pro V2 comes with a 13-month warranty against manufacturing defects and lifetime technical support. The manufacturer provides spare parts and free replacements if needed, ensuring long-term reliability. It is important to follow safety guidelines, such as always using the protective cover or goggles and avoiding direct contact with the laser emitter. This laser engraver offers a perfect balance of power, precision, and safety for creative projects. Number 2. xTool S1. The xTool S1 is a powerful and precise enclosed diode laser cutter designed for desktop use. It features a robust 20-watt laser with advanced compression technology that combines 8 5.5-watt lasers into a highly efficient cutting system. This allows it to cut through 10 millimeters of wood in a single pass, delivering professional-grade results with a precision of 0.8 millimeters. Equipped with a 20-watt laser and a 2-watt 1064 nanometer infrared laser module, the xTool S1 is versatile enough to engrave on metals, acrylic, plastic, and wood. The upgraded guide rail structure ensures increased stability during high-speed movement up to 600 millimeters per second, maximizing efficiency and accuracy. One of its standout features is the intelligent dynamic focus system, which automatically adjusts the laser focus for uneven surfaces, supported by an electric Z-axis for perfect engraving depth. The autofocus system further enhances cutting power by precisely positioning the laser spot below the surface. Safety is ensured with its enclosed design and IEC Class 1 laser safety certification. Additional options, like the automatic conveyor feeder, allow engraving on materials up to 3,000 millimeters long, while the RA2 Pro rotary attachment supports engraving on cylindrical objects like mugs and rings. The xTool S1 also includes a smart air assist system and an efficient smoke exhaust mechanism, creating a cleaner and safer workspace. Compatible with user-friendly software, this laser engraver is ideal for hobbyists, small businesses, and professionals seeking precision, versatility, and safety in one compact machine. Number 1. xTool F1 Laser Engraver. The xTool F1 is a groundbreaking 2-in-1 laser engraver combining a 2-watt infrared laser and a 10-watt diode laser for versatile cutting and engraving. The infrared laser is designed specifically for all metal materials, while the diode laser handles wood, acrylic, and other non-metal materials. This dual laser system supports over 300 materials, making it incredibly adaptable. With an industrial-grade design, the xTool F1 reaches speeds up to 4,000 millimeters per second, increasing productivity and efficiency by 10 times compared to traditional engravers. It can cut materials up to 10 millimeters thick, perfect for batch processing and detailed projects. The machine features an ultra-galvo system that delivers motion accuracy of 0.199 millimeters and repetition accuracy of 0.248 millimeters. This ensures every engraving captures tiny details with high-definition precision, making it ideal for intricate designs and photo reprints. Safety and cleanliness are enhanced by a fully enclosed cover that blocks smoke and filters laser emissions, preventing leaks and odors during operation. The xTool F1 supports beginner-friendly software, including XCS and Lightburn, and works seamlessly with phones, tablets, and laptops. Auto and manual focus modes, along with a high-speed preview, allow precise positioning and easy use. This laser engraver is perfect for professional and hobbyist use alike, offering unmatched speed, accuracy, and versatility for creative and commercial applications. There you have it, the top 4 best laser cutters and engravers for 2025. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more expert reviews and recommendations. Let us know in the comments which model you are most excited to try.